Hello again, and welcome back to Glasgow South Motor Tram and Rail Group's workshops. I said in the last workshop that we would be doing the Scalescenes platform accessory kit. I've already put the different sheets onto the different thickness of card and cut them out, the different components. So we're just beginning to start assembling it, and once I get the camera set up I'll be back. Right, so here we have the components laid out on the mat, and we've got the base and the back wall, or the side wall actually, and I've got the square there to hold it perpendicular to one another. And the next stage is to put on the side wall. So I'm just about to do that now. Just use the PVA glue. Like so, and we just make sure that it's flush with the edge and flush with the bottom. Like so, and then we've got the trough for the urinal ready to go in there, so we'll just glue that as well. And back to our tweezers again to just mount it in place. I think it'd be better if we stood it up in its end. There we are, just make sure it's flush against the back wall, and there you have that. And the next thing we do just want to make sure it is right up against the back wall. And then we've got the step at the trough to put in, which we'll put in now. And there we have the trough installed. Just very carefully with the back of the blade of the knife, just scrape away any excess glue, and there you have it. I mean, it's a very easy kit to put together, and we'll be back in a minute once we get sorted out. So here we are again, folks. We're back with our gentleman's toilet, and it's basically finished. We did the trough, then you did this wall, and then we had the actual cubicle to do, which was it's a very simple kit, which is why I kind of jumped ahead a wee bit. There's not a lot to make it complicated. So there we are, and that's just a gentleman's toilet for the platform, which I thought was brilliant. It's a brilliant wee kit. I can still remember this type of toilet actually.